There you go. It cleans everything. And now, if you don't want anything else, you're pretty much good to go, because it was texture on it. Unless the clients want a top coat. I don't think, mostly clients don't want a top coat after sugaring the effects on the top. It's super cute. But then if they want, hey, it's okay. If the clients want it, they don't mind, you know, to cover this, you know, like texture, then do it. So if you want to get some crystal on it, you can add some crystal using crystal trifecta to keep all your crystals staying on like absolutely in the next few weeks. So should we add some crystal on it? Yes or no? I'll leave it alone. You can do like whole bling out this one. Okay, I'm going to put some crystal on. To show us like if you want to do the look. Just good. And then we're going to need the